scalar product or dot product or dot product. Okay, so dot product or scalar product of what? Product of the vectors. Okay, so what we have studied so far. Suppose you are having the vector A and vector B. Okay, suppose you are having a vector A and vector B. So what you can say, let me write vector A and B as say it is Ax I cap plus Ay j cap, or you can simply write say Ay j cap plus Az k cap. Okay, so vector B you can take it as Bx I cap plus By j cap plus Bz k cap. Okay, these are the two vectors. If this is the case, so what is the dot product? A vector A dot vector B is what? Vector magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, and cos of angle between them. Okay, so theta also they may give some angle over here. So this will give you the what? This will give you the dot product. So then what is the magnitude of A? Magnitude of A is equals to root of Ax square plus Ay square plus Az square. Yes or no? You know this very well. Okay. So magnitude of B, how we can find square root of Bx square plus By square plus Bz square. Okay. So these are the what magnitudes. So you can substitute these two over here. You can find theta to given. So you can find the A dot B. If theta is not given, if theta is not given, means we have to go with analytical. So what is then vector A dot B? Then vector A dot B is directly you can take this one. Okay, so Ax I cap plus Ay j cap plus Az k cap dot Bx I cap plus By j cap plus Bz k cap. Okay, so you have to multiply. So as we know, so when we multiply I with some j or some k, that will become what? That will become 0. Only I multiplied I will be 1, j multiplied with k will be 1, k multiplied k will be 1. So what we remain with is, we remain with Ax Bx plus Ay By plus Az Bz. Okay, so this is what going to be your A dot B. Okay, so directly multiply their corresponding components. Remaining you leave that. You cannot multiply Ax with By. Just multiply Ax with Bx only. You have to multiply x component with x component only, not with y component. Okay, that is going to be 0. Okay, so this is what the basic thing we should know about the dot product. And you may ask then, if theta is not given, can we find theta from A dot B? Is it possible to find theta? Or question will they ask the question like finding the theta? They will give the vector A and vector B, and they will ask you to find the angle theta. Is it possible? So obviously that is possible, because you are able to find magnitude of A, you are able to find magnitude of B, and you know A dot B. Why not you find the theta? Okay. Suppose if they ask theta, so to find theta, so to find the theta, so what we can do? As we know, A dot B is equals to magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, and cos of theta. Okay, what do you want to find? You want to find theta, so you can write cos theta is equal to, you bring these two here in denominator. Okay, so vector A dot vector B divided by magnitude of vector A and magnitude of vector B. So you can easily find what? Cos theta here. Because you know A dot B also, you know magnitude of A and magnitude of B also. What is A dot B? A dot B is here. Magnitude of A is here. Magnitude of B is here. Okay. I will substitute the values also. Okay. So cos theta equal to A dot B is what? A dot B is AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. Okay. So divided by magnitude of A is square root of AX square plus BX square plus not BX square, AX square plus AY square plus AZ square. Similarly, magnitude of B, these two are numbers, no need to take dot or cross something between them. So BX square plus BY square plus BZ square. Okay. So this is what going to give you cos of theta. But what you want theta only. So take cos on that side, that will become what? Cos inverse. Okay. So that you must have studied in your mathematics. So theta equals to angle theta is equals to, so cos will become what? Cos of cos inverse. Cos will become cos inverse. So cos inverse of, so what is this? AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ whole divided by root of AX square plus AY square plus AZ square, again root of BX square plus BY square plus BZ square. Okay. So this is what going to be your theta. Remember, they may ask you to find the theta in general. In general means what you have to do? You have to take vector A, vector B, find magnitude of vector A, find magnitude of vector B, then find A dot B, then take to find theta, A dot B you can take, then cos theta you have to write. So just substitute the value of A dot B and magnitude of A, magnitude of B. If generally they ask you to find theta value with the help of dot product, so follow from here. From here to here you have to write all these things. Okay. So this is how we can find the theta. Okay. So if you want, let me take an example. So how we can find the theta. So if I take an example, say vector A is say 2 I cap or I cap plus 2 j cap plus k cap. Okay. So vector B is say 2 I cap plus j cap minus k cap. Okay. Minus k cap. Yes. So now how we can find the theta? They are asking to find theta. Nothing they are given. They are not given even A dot B also. They are directly asking, or they are asking to find the value of theta. Okay, so how we can find it? As we know, this is what going to be a formula. So for that, what we need is first magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, and A dot B. This you have to remember. A dot B divided by magnitude of A and magnitude of B. So first, what we have to find? We have to find A dot B. Vector A dot vector B equals to, so this is going to be what? AX BX, AY BY, AZ BZ. Getting the point? So 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Get it? So here 2 is there, here 1 is there. 2 into 1. This plus, let me take 1 into, this is what? Minus 1. Okay, because negative sign is there. So this is what A dot B. Why I am taking like this? Because we have formula AX BX, AY BY, then AZ BZ. Okay, so this is what A dot B. So A dot B is equals to, so this is what? 2 plus, this is 2, this is minus 1. So what you got? You got 2 plus 2, 4, and minus 1. This is going to be 3. Okay, so you got it as 3. Now you have to find, what you need is magnitude of A, magnitude of B. So what is magnitude of A? Magnitude of A is square root of, what is that? AX square, BX square, AX square plus AY square plus AZ square. So what is that? AX square, AY square, AZ square. Here AX is 1 the square plus 2 the square plus 1 the square. Okay, so this is going to be 2 the square is what? 4. 4 plus 1 the square is 1. 1 the square is 1. Okay, so 1 plus 4 plus 1. This will become root of 6. So similarly, magnitude of B is what? Root of bx square plus by square plus bz square. So that is equals to here 2 the square plus 1 the square plus minus 1 the square is equals to root of what you will get again. So 2 the square is 2, sorry 4, 1 the square is 1, minus 1 the square is what? Plus again plus 1 only. Okay, so what you will get? You will get it as 4 plus 1 plus 1. So again this is going to be what? Root of 6. Okay, so you got magnitude of A, magnitude of B, and you got A dot B also. As we know that cos theta equals to what? Vector A dot vector B divided by magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B. Okay, because A dot B is what? Magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos theta. You want cos theta, so bring a magnitude of A, magnitude of B here. So A dot B is so as it is there. So what is this? A dot B. A dot B is 3. What is magnitude of A? Magnitude of A is root 6. Magnitude of B is also root 6. Okay, 3 divided by root of 6 into root of 6. You will get it was you will get it as 6. Okay, so 3 ones are 3 twos are, so you will get it as 1 by 2. So cos theta equals to 1 by 2. Then theta equals to cos inverse of 1 by 2. What is cos inverse of 1 by 2? What is cos inverse of 1 by 2? Cos inverse of 1 by 2 is nothing but 60 degree. Okay, cos of 60 equals to what? 1 by 2. Cos of 0 is 1. Cos of 30 is root 3 by 2. Cos of 45 is what? 1 by root 2. Then cos of 60 is 1 by 2. So cos inverse of 1 by 2 will become what? 60. Okay. So this is how you can find the theta when the vector A and B are given. Okay. So remember. No need to remember the direct formula or something, just you know the formula A dot B equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B and cos theta. It is just example to how we can get the answer. Okay. So let me take another example how they can ask the question. Angle between vectors I cap plus j cap and j cap plus k cap is angle between vectors I cap plus j cap and j cap plus k cap is. So they will give options also. They will give option A 30 degree, option B 45 degree, option C say 60 degree, option D say 90 degree. Okay. So if a question is like this, so what you have to do? Angle between vectors I cap plus j cap and j cap plus k cap they are asking. So very simple. As we know A dot B equals to magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos theta. So you want to find angle theta. So cos theta equals to. So let me write one second. So cos theta equals to. So A dot B divided by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Okay. So then don't confuse when you are writing dot. Okay. So cos theta is this much. First, what you have to find? You have to find A dot B first. Okay. So write vectors first. Vector A is what? I cap plus j cap. Vector B is what? J cap plus k cap. First, you have to find A dot B. A dot B. This is J. Remember, this is J. Okay. So you have to multiply I with I only. Here I is not there. It is 0. J dot J is 1. Okay. So AX BX plus AY BY plus AZ BZ. Or you can multiply directly also. So if you are getting confusion, you go with your usual method. So I cap plus j cap dot j cap plus k cap. So multiply I cap j cap, I cap dot j cap plus I cap dot k cap, I cap dot k cap plus j cap dot j cap, j cap dot j cap plus j cap dot k cap, j cap dot k cap. Okay, so I dot j is what? 0 plus I dot k is also 0 plus j dot j is what? 1 plus j dot k is also 0. So you got it as 1. So vector A dot vector B is what? It is equals to 1. Simply you can directly write. So what you have to search? You have to search for I, j, k, k. I is not there, so ij is there, 0. Ik is there, not required. Only what? J into j is there. Okay. So directly also you can say it is equals to 1. Just to make you understand, I am doing this. Okay. So in your competitive exams, no need to do all these things. Directly you have to search I. Okay, I is not there, so forget about I. So j is there. Okay, j dot j 1. K is here, but in this side K is not there, so it is going to be 0. Like that, you have to. You should be fast in what your calculation. No need to do all these things. Okay, it is beginning. No problem. You can do it. So now, what is required again? Magnitude of vector A is required. Okay, magnitude of vector A. So magnitude of vector A is what? Magnitude of vector A is, this is all, Ax is also 1, Bx is also 1, because they are unit vectors. So 1 to the square, this will become root 2. Magnitude of B is what? Magnitude of B is also 1 and 1. So 1 to the square plus 1 to the square. Okay. Ax square plus bx square, ay square plus az square, like that. Okay. So this is also going to be what? Root 2. Now theta you have to find. Okay. So cos theta equals to, what is that? A dot B. What is A dot B? A dot B is 1 divided by magnitude of A, magnitude of B. Magnitude of A is root 2, magnitude of B is also root 2. So cos theta equals to 1 by root 2 into root 2 will become 2. So theta is again what? Cos inverse of 1 by 2. Cos inverse of 1 by 2 means what? Again it is 60 degree. Okay. So again we got theta as 60 degree only. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be here. C is going to be our correct answer. Okay. So C answer will be correct. So like this we have to solve the problems. So next, very important for your competitive exam, that is properties of dot product or scalar product. Okay, let me write properties. Okay, properties of dot product or scalar product. Okay. So first property. So before writing that first property, so what is vector A dot B? Vector A dot B is magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos theta. Okay, simply I can write AB cos theta. Okay, because magnitude of A is equals to A, magnitude of B is equals to B. Can I write B dot A? So what will happen for B dot A? Magnitude of B, magnitude of A cos theta. So what it is? It is BA cos theta. Is AB cos theta and BA cos theta same? Because 2 into 3 is also 6, 3 into 2 is also 6. So we can equate them. AB cos theta equals to BA cos theta. Okay. So AB cos theta equals to BA cos theta. That means A dot B is equals to B dot A. A dot B is equals to B dot A. What is this? This is nothing but your commutative. Okay. So that means scalar product is commutative or commutative holds for. Commutative law holds for scalar product. Scalar product or dot product. Scalar product or dot product of vectors. Okay, scalar product or dot product of vector. This is what the first property. Okay, so let me go for second property. What is second property? See here, if you have a dot b plus c, so how you can multiply this one? You can just multiply like a dot b plus as it is. So a dot c. Okay, so use of multiplication you are doing. Remember, same thing can be done in case of vectors or scalar product or dot product of the vectors. So what is this? This is nothing but what you are I think distributive. Okay, so that means distributive law holds for what? Distributive law holds for the scalar product or dot product. Okay, so you can take some a and b, c, some vectors I cap, j cap, and j cap, k cap. You can do this one and you will get the result. Okay, so I'm not going to do that one. So you can do it yourself. Distributive law holds for scalar product or dot product. Scalar product or dot product. Okay, so first one commutative law holds, second is distributive law holds. Okay, important properties, remember. Now I will take two parallel vectors. Okay, so this is vector A and this is parallel to vector B. Okay, this is parallel to vector B. If two vectors are parallel, what is angle between them? So angle between them is what? What is angle? 0. There is no angle between them. So if angle between them is 0, what is dot product? A dot B is going to be magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos of 0. So cos of 0 means what? Cos of 0 is 1. So this will become what? Magnitude of A is A, magnitude of B is B. Okay, so A dot B will become what? Equals to A into B. That means magnitude of A into magnitude of A. Let me write that. Magnitude of A and magnitude of B. Okay, so what I can write third property? I can write it as dot product of two parallel vectors is equals to product of their magnitudes. Okay, so dot product or scalar product, dot product of two parallel vectors is product of magnitude of those vectors. Yes or no? These are nothing but product of their magnitude. So dot product of two parallel vectors is product of magnitude of those two vectors. Okay, so this is what. So next, again very important, let me take two perpendicular vectors. So vector, so one will be here, vector A is here and vector B is here. So if they are perpendicular means theta is going to be what? Theta is going to be 90 degree. Cos 90 is what? 0. So what will happen? Vector A dot B will become magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos of 90. Cos of 90 means what? It is 0. So that means everything will become 0. So vector A dot vector B is equals to 0. So what I can write the property? I can write it as dot product or scalar product. Dot product of two perpendicular vectors. They are parallel and these are perpendicular. So perpendicular vectors. So dot product of two perpendicular vectors is 0. Dot product or scalar product of two perpendicular vectors is 0. Okay. So remember these four properties. They are very important. If you want, I can add one more. So if I take two anti-parallel vectors, so vector A is on this side and vector B is on this side. Okay. So what is angle between them? Angle between them will be 180. Okay. This side means angle is going to be what? 180. Okay. So if angle between them is 180 degree, then cos of 180 is what? Cos of 180 is equals to minus 1. Okay. Cos of 180 is equals to minus 1. So what you can write? vector A, vector B equals to, so what you can do, magnitude of vector A, magnitude of vector B, cos of 180. So this will become what? This will become A, B. Cos of 180 means minus 1. So you will get it as negative of magnitude of A and magnitude of B. Okay. So simply you can write minus of AB. So dot product of two anti-parallel vectors is minus of AB. Okay, or you have to write in terms of words, negative of product of magnitudes of those vectors. Okay, so this is what you will get negative. If I take two equal vectors, this is also vector A and this is also vector A, what will happen? A dot vector A equals to magnitude of A, so cos of, what is the angle between them? 0. So this is what A, so this will become A square. So A dot A is going to be what? It is going to be A square. Okay, so what is this? A dot product of equal vectors is square of magnitude of that vector. Okay, any one vector, I can say simply A square. Okay, so what you have to write? Actually you have to write a square of magnitude of any one vector. Okay, square of magnitude of that vector you can write. So they are just giving extra, but these four are not important. First two are important, and these two are going to help you solve many problems. Okay, simply they will say ki, two vectors are perpendicular, find some A or B, something like that. So remember, first one commutative holds, second one distributive holds, third one if they are parallel, A dot B is going to be just product of their magnitudes. If they are perpendicular, remember A dot B is going to be 0.